In this video, I'd like to show you a few tips on project management. Just a tiny bit of awareness in project management is going to make massive impact in your project. I'm Vera Chen from PhD Coffee Time. Thank you for spending your break with me. I would like to spend a coffee break with you and discuss project management. When are you finishing your paper? When are you graduating?
When are you graduating?
Like all the advisors might ask you. Today I'm going to show you how you can answer this question using a Gantt chart. The answer to where is your paper is very hard to answer, and when to finish your PhD is also very complex. It's because it's a process of many tasks and projects. In the project management term, it's called a breakdown work structure. So you have an itemized list and you're going to know which task is going to be a unit of work. You might ask, how to put an elephant in a fridge? You have to open the door, you have to put the elephant in, and you close the door. It's a 3-step project. And then, how do you put a giraffe in the fridge? You open the door, you take the elephant out, and then you put the giraffe in. Then you close the door. That's the 4-step project. Let's call this project 1 and project 2. Most of us know to do to-do list, where we put every item on a list and we check them off as we proceed. But today I like to introduce, there is a basic concept in project management called the Gantt chart, and you might have already encountered one if you have written your first proposal for your research. In the Gantt chart, we have the x-axis as time, say 12 months, and you have y-axis as the list of structures that you are going to divide for your project. So there are different levels of your projects that you're going to encounter in different time of the month. Hey guys, I'm going to hit pause right here because this is the time for you to work. You all have different projects. Your elephant and giraffe might look different from what I have suggested. So this is a work that you can do for yourself. I'm going to provide 5 minutes for you. Find a piece of paper and a pen, and that's all you need. And please stick with me in this 5 minutes and write down your current projects that might be causing some anxiety at this moment. It really helps when you write those down and list all the tasks that needs to be done and what is the project timeline and milestone that you need to keep. So if you do the exercise, it's going to help you when the video resumes, okay? So please stick with me and I hope you will write it down. Great job, welcome back. I hope you don't think the 5 minute was too boring, because I cannot do your job for you, and you are the only person that knows your project the best. You should have all the materials you need to build your first Gantt chart. Let's talk about how to make one. Let's get on top of your project and provide yourself and your advisor a Gantt chart. This video of Excel Gantt chart is phenomenal. I have never noticed that Gantt chart is just a stacked bar chart that you can add the value of date to the value of how many dates is needed, and you choose colorless for the first bar so that it pushes all the second bar as a stacked bar. It's a sophisticated way, and I sound so nerdy when I listen to myself talking, but I'm so excited to discover how to make a Gantt chart. You have to reverse the y-axis to make date to show up on the top, and that looks exactly like what someone would pay money for and to get the project management tool in the software. So I hope this tip is helpful. What really amazed me from her video is she just added an error bar on the top of the first bar, and the error bar was defined as the value of the actual working day that you have worked for that project. When you change the thickness of the error bar, you can make it look like a power bar of your project on how many days you have spent and how does it compare to your original invested plan. That's the most elegant way I have seen for someone who have made a Gantt chart using Excel. So I hope you will check it out and give her some support. It's a great YouTube video, and I've learned a lot of skills on YouTube. That's what motivates me to put my content up here, because I think it's a great platform of a lot of good advice and techniques. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching. Please, I have also created many platforms of social media way to contact me if you have any question or if you have any thought and sharing. If you have made your own Gantt chart, please take a screenshot and share with me on Instagram. The Instagram name is PhDCoffeeTime. And I'd love to see how your project looks like, how busy you get, and perhaps this is going to help you advance in your project and communicate better with your advisor. I am very thankful for the 30 people who have subscribed to this channel. I'm having so much fun because there's so much data behind a video, and I'm learning that there are maybe about 12 of you guys that have stayed beyond and have made your SMART goal. That is encouraging to me, because I know most of my friends are just checking out that I have a YouTube video and they are not really in PhD program. But I hope the target audience out there are going to really take the time and do your work of improving your project. And that's really what I wish for, what this channel can bring to you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss any content that may be useful to your PhD project. Thank you for watching. See you next time.